Dear students, I welcome you all to this problem solution series in digital electronics. I am solving the problems from the book Digital Design by Maurice Mano and Michael Celetti, 4th edition. So in this video, I am solving the problem number 5.10 from the chapter number 5. The problem is a sequential circuit has two JK flip-flops A and B. This A and B actually denotes here the outputs of these JK flip-flops, and the two inputs are X and Y and one output Z. The flip-flop input equations and circuit output equation are, these are given equations. Okay, these are JA, KA for the first flip-flop, that is A flip-flop, and JB and KB are the input for the B flip-flop. Okay, and Z is the output function. Now we are asked to find out the logic diagram of the circuit. Then we have to tabulate the state table. First of all, we have to draw the logic circuit. Then we have to find out the state table of the circuit. Then we have to derive the state equations for A and B. That is, we have to find out the next state equations for A and B. Now, first of all, let us draw the circuit using these equations. So here we have two JK flip-flops. This one is one JK flip-flop. Suppose this one is A JK flip-flop. Here we will have the input JA, and here we will have the input KA. Next we will have another JK flip-flop. Let me draw like this. Okay, this is B and the inputs are JB and KB. So these are the two JK flip-flops. Now we are given with the expressions of JA and JB, KA and KB. Here we have, this is A and this is A complement. Okay, A complement. Here we will have the output as B and B complement. Now we have to draw this circuit using these equations. Here in this question it is given that X and Y are the inputs. So first of all, let me draw the X and Y line, input lines. Suppose similar to the combinational circuit, I will draw here. Okay, this is suppose X line, input line, and here we have Y input line. From these equations we can see that we have the Y complement. No Y is there, so directly we can define here as Y complement. Okay, suppose we have assumed that we have the complemented Y input. Next we have to find out the X complement. So here we'll have the X complement. So here we have supplied the Y complement line. Now we will need the A complement line, A line towards the input. Okay, let me so draw like this. So this is line A. Okay, so this line is for A. Okay, next we have this A complemented line. So suppose this line is A complement. Next we have this B input line. I am drawing this line towards the input to make the circuit easier. So this line is for B. Okay, so this line is for B. Then we have this B complement. Let me draw another line. Okay, so this line is for B complement. Now we have JA is Bx plus B bar Y bar. So first of all we have to find out Bx. Okay, this line is B. Okay, take a line from X. You say AND gate, and here we'll get Bx plus B bar Y bar. So this line is B bar. Okay, take a line from B bar. Okay, and Y bar. You say AND gate. Okay, here we'll get B bar Y bar. Then we have to add these two because the JA expression is Bx plus B bar Y bar. Okay, so you say OR gate. Okay, these are two inputs. So here we'll get the JA expression. So we have found out the JA input. Next we have KA. This KA expression is B bar X Y bar. So take a line from B bar. Okay, then take a line from X and take a line from Y bar. Okay, use AND gate. So here this output will be connected here. So here we'll have B bar X Y bar. So next we have this JB and KB inputs. So JB and KB. So JB expression, input expression is A complement into X. Okay, so take a line from A complement. So this one is the A complement line. Okay, so take a line from A complement, take a line from X. a complement into x. So take a line from x and you say and get, and here we'll get a complement x. So here we have got the expression for JB, so this will be connected to JB. Next we have KB. KB is a plus xy bar. Take a line from A. Okay, this is A line. Take a line from A and this will be added to xy bar. Okay, so take a line from x, take a line from y bar this one. Okay, so you say AND gate, and these two will be the input of a OR gate because we have a plus xy bar. This is nothing but xy bar. Okay, then these two are the addition input and this is nothing but KB. Okay, so this input will be connected here. So for this both this flip-flop we have to supply some clock signals. Okay, so this is nothing but clock, CLOCK. This is the clock input, CLK. This is short form. These are the inputs. We have found out the input expressions. Now we have the output expression. The output expression is A x bar y bar plus B x bar y bar. First of all, we will find out x bar y bar. X bar y bar we have to find out first. So we have here x bar. Here we have y bar. Okay. So if we use a AND gate, here we'll get x bar y bar. So this line you draw towards the outputs. So we have to first multiply with A. Okay, so take a line from A. Okay, so you say AND gate, here we'll get A x bar y bar. Okay, so after multiplying this with B, suppose we have to connect from here. Okay, you say AND gate, so here we'll get B x bar y bar. Okay, now we have to add these two to get the output Z. So you say OR gate. Okay, these are the two inputs. Okay, and here we'll get the output Z. So this is the logic circuit as per the given equations. Now let us go to our second part of the problem. So first part of the problem, draw the logic diagram of the circuit. We have completed this one. Now we have to tabulate the state table. So in the state table we'll have present state, then we have inputs, then we'll have the next state. Okay, then we'll have output, and we can write the flip-flop inputs. This flip-flop inputs will help us to find out the next state. Okay, so I will write flip-flop. This FF means flip-flop here, flip-flop inputs. So here we'll have this present state means A and B, then inputs are X and Y. Okay, next state is A of t plus 1 and B of t plus 1. Okay, the output is small z. Then the flip-flop inputs are JA, KA, JB, KB. Okay, so these are the input and output variables. So present state we already have, and the inputs we have, so we have 4 types of variable at the input. So we'll have 16 combinations. So we'll have 0 0 0 0. So these are the various inputs as well as the present state combinations. So we'll now find out the other parameters. Okay, we are already having this JA, KA, JB, KB equations. Okay, so you can easily find out the JA and KA values, JB and KB values for using these input variables. We have JA is equal to Bx plus B bar Y bar. So Bx is 0 and B bar Y bar is 1. So we'll have one value here. Next we'll have this Bx value is 0 and B bar Y bar will also 0. Okay, so we'll have 0 here. Okay, in this way, using this given equations, you have to find out this JA, KA, JB, KB values. Then we have this third JA value will be Bx is 0, so then B bar Y bar is 1. Okay, so we'll have one value here. Now in the fourth row we'll have Bx is 0 and B bar Y bar is also 0. So in this way we have to find out all these JA, KA, JB, KB values, okay, using the given equations. Let me quickly fill up this table. So for finding out KA, we have B bar X Y bar. Okay, so B bar is 1, X is 0, Y bar, so it will be 0. Okay, in this way you have to find out KA. Okay, so we'll have 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, next we'll have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Similarly, the JB values will be 0, 0, 1, 1. These values I have just found out using the equation, given equation. JB equation is A complement into X. Okay, A bar X. So using that equation, I have found out these JB values. Okay, so 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then we'll have 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, KB value will have 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, next we will have all the other values are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we have to find out the next state value. That means after giving some present state value, okay, then we have to find out the next state value. So that will follow the JK flip-flop characteristic equation. We know that the JK flip-flop characteristic equation is Q of T plus 1 is equal to J Q complement plus K complement Q. Okay, so using these equations, we will get A of T plus 1 will have JA. Q here is A complement plus KA complement into A. Okay, and similarly B of T plus 1 will be JB B complement, okay, B complement plus KB complement B. Okay, so these are the two equations we have to use for finding the A of T plus 1 and B of T plus 1 values here. Okay, so let me find out. So JA, A complement. JA is 1, A complement is 1. Okay, so it will be 1. First value will be 1. Next we have JA is 0. Okay, so first term will be 0 plus K complement is 1. Okay, so K complement into B. B is again 0. Okay, so we'll have here 0. Okay, in this way you have to find out this A of T plus 1 and B of T plus 1, this next state values. Okay, so let me fill up this table. Similarly, B of T plus 1 values are 0, 0. I have used these two equations for finding A of T plus 1. I have used this equation, and for finding this B of T plus 1 we will use this equation. Okay, so we'll have B of T plus 1 values are 0, 1, 1. Then we'll have 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, next all the other values will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now for finding out this output Z, we have a given equation. At the input side we already have A, X and Y value, B, X and Y value. Okay, so using this equation we have to find out the Z value. Okay, now let us find out the Z value. So for Z we will have 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Next we have the Z output values are 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is the state table. So this table is the complete table is the state table. So for B part of the problem, we have found out the solution. Okay, so this part of the problem is complete. Tabulate the state table. So we have found out the state table. Now we have to derive the state equations for A and B. Okay, so we have got the A of T plus 1 and B of T plus 1 values. Okay, so this A of T plus 1 is nothing but the state equation for A, Okay, and b of t plus 1 is the state equation for b. Okay, so using K-map we will find out the expression for a of t plus 1. The inputs are a, b, x and y, and we have to find out the equation for a of t plus 1. Okay, so we'll put these values in the K-map. Okay, so part C, K-map for a of t plus 1. Okay, so we have 4 input variables. A, b, x and y. Okay, a, b, x and y, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, these two are nothing but a, these two row are b, and this third column and the fourth column is x, and these two columns are second and third column are y. Okay, now let us put the values of a of t plus 1. 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, next we have 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, so how we can combine? So this will be one combination, the next combination will be this one. Okay, the third combination will be this, and the fourth one will be this one. Okay, so a of t plus 1, the expression will be, so suppose for this term we will have a, and from this side we will have x bar, a x bar plus, so for this term we will have a y plus, for this term we will have, this is b. Okay, so b, and from this side we will have x plus, from this term we will have a bar b bar, and from the first and the fourth column we will have, this is y complement, a bar b bar y complement. Okay, so this is the state equation for a. Now we will have to find out for b, that is b of t plus 1 we have to find out. So K-map for b of t plus 1. Okay, so similarly we have to find out 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, so we have a, b, x, y. Okay, now we have to fill up this table with these values. Okay, so we'll have 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1, and we have 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Next all the values are 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so how we can combine? So this will be the first term, this will be the second term, and this will be the third term. So we'll have b of t plus 1 is equal to, so from this term we'll have a bar b, okay, a bar b, and from these two column we will have, it is x bar, a bar b x bar plus, for this term we will have a bar b and this will be y. Okay, plus this third term will be a bar b bar, and from these two column, third and the fourth column, we will have x. Okay, so this is the state equation for b. Okay, so this was the third part solution. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.